Christopher Columbus, in whose name children are off school for a day and mail isn't delivered that day, was a homicidal tyrant who initiated the two greatest crimes in the history of the Western Hemisphere. The Atlantic Slave Trade and American Indian Genocide. Here are some of the things Columbus and crew members actually did. This is from a diary written by Michael de Queno, who participated in Columbus's second expedition to America. For example, on Hispaniola, an island in the Caribbean which has subsequently been renamed, Columbus's crew publicly cut off an Indian's ears to shock other Indians into submission. About that same time, Columbus himself cut off the heads of several Indians for no good reason. Columbus forced Indians to collect gold for him or be executed. Many Indians killed themselves rather than to do that. 55 years after Columbus's first voyage, only 500 out of 300,000 Indians remained on Hispaniola. A woman was stripped and placed on the back of a donkey to be whipped as punishment for falsely claiming to be pregnant. He ordered Spaniards even to be hanged for stealing bread. Settlers under Columbus sold 9- and 10-year-old girls into sexual slavery. This one he admitted himself in a letter to Dona Waré de Chore, a friend of the Spanish queen. He says, Columbus himself writes, "There are plenty of dealers in children who are back looking for girls. Those from 9 to 10 are now in demand, and for all ages a good price must be paid." So fuck Columbus Day. Replace it with Indigenous Peoples Day, and remove the name Christopher Columbus from the history books forever. He's a vile piece of shit, a tyrant, an arrogant pervert, a criminal, just like our current seated president Donald Trump.